I learned this with a friend from Italy. Now I only make pasta like this. Start by adding 2 liters of water in a large saucepan over medium heat. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 250 grams of ciaffari pasta. Mix and let it cook for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, 1 medium onion cut into cubes, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and sauté until slightly golden brown. When that happens, add 1 red bell pepper chopped into small cubes and sauté for another 2 minutes. Then add 600 grams of ground beef and stir until all the moisture has evaporated. Now, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and stir until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Next, add 2 ripe tomatoes chopped into cubes and stir for another 5 minutes. This is the right point. Remove from the heat and set aside. Meanwhile, the pasta has already cooked, so drain all the water and set aside. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir until melted. When that happens, add 1 leek stalk chopped into thin strips and sauté for 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and stir until dissolved. Then, add 500 milliliters of milk at room temperature and keep stirring until slightly thickened. This is the right point. Pour everything into a large container and beat with a mixer until combined. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Once you've done that, transfer all the pasta we prepared earlier to a large bowl. Pour in all the sauce and mix until combined. Now, let's assemble the pasta in 3 glass containers. First, in each container, add 4 spoonfuls of the pasta. Then add the same amount of the meat we prepared earlier, and top with 4 more spoonfuls of the pasta. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Finish by topping each container with 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Take to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 15 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it.